Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's that time of the year again, and I'm so excited because for the first time ever, we are decorating our Christmas tree in our very own home. I have been looking forward to this for so long. It's my very first Christmas tree, and I want it to be extra special. I've got a bunch of my favorite ornaments, and of course, the sparkly ones that make the tree shine like magic. Let's see how this turns out. Christmas has always had a special place in my heart, even though I grew up celebrating festivals like Diwali and Holi. I think it all started during my school days. I went to a convent school, and December always felt magical. It wasn't just about Christmas Day, it felt like a whole holiday season filled with excitement. Back then, we never kept a Christmas tree at home, but I would visit my friends' homes to help decorate theirs. And I always made it a point to visit the church. It just felt so peaceful and festive. Little did I know that Christmas would become even more special for me later in my life. Here is the surprising part. My husband and I actually got engaged on December 25th. Can you believe that? It's like Christmas was secretly weaving itself into my life all along. And now here I am decorating my own Christmas tree for the very first time in our home. It's a dream come true for me. I'm so excited to bring these festive vibes into our home, and I hope this tree will light up not just our space but our hearts too. Let me know in the comments if you have ever had a similar connection with a festival that you did not traditionally celebrate. It's such a beautiful way to embrace new traditions. As winter has officially arrived here in Calgary, it's the perfect time to start setting up my winter village. There is something so magical about these little miniatures, and I can't wait to see how they look all lit up. I have got some snow, little houses, and trees to make this village come alive. I love how these little details create such a cozy atmosphere. For me, building a winter village feels like stepping into a storybook. It's about creating a peaceful, magical world, a place where the snow never melts, the lights always glow, and everything feels calm and joyful. This year is extra special because it's my first time creating one in my own home. Every piece I have added has been chosen with so much excitement, and seeing it all come together feels like bringing a little Christmas magic to life. Okay, so while I am setting up my winter village, let me quickly share where I got these cute little pieces. So the ceramic houses and trees are from Marshalls, and the tiny miniatures, some are from the dollar store and others from Temu. I know, super random, but it all came together perfectly. Just in case, if you are wondering where to get your own little winter village pieces, stay tuned for the magic to unfold. Building this village reminds me of the miniature displays I used to admire as a kid. Did you ever stop to gaze at those dreamy holiday setups when you were little? As I hang these cozy stockings for the first time, I can't help but smile at the sweet tradition behind it. Legend says St. Nicholas once secretly filled stockings with gold for three sisters in need, and now people hang them with hopes of a little holiday magic. It's so special to start this tradition in our home and bring some extra joy into our first Christmas here. For me, the center table is like the heart of the living room. It's where everything comes together. Whether it's a cozy cup of coffee, festive treats, or just a space to gather around. It sets the vibe for the season. This year, I wanted to keep it simple yet festive, adding a touch of Christmas magic. I love how a well decorated table can completely transform this space. Do you decorate your center table too? What's your go to centerpiece idea? funny how this whole DIY candle idea started. It was actually my husband's suggestion. At first, I wasn't sure about it, but oh my, I'd have regretted it so much if I hadn't tried. And now I'm so excited to show you how these adorable candles turn out. Santa, Christmas trees, and even pine cones. So watch the video until end. While my candles are sitting in their molds, I decided to try my hand at a Christmas cake. Just a heads up, I'm not a pro baker, not even close. I don't even know how a traditional Christmas cake is made, but I found this orange cake recipe and I added some cherries and a little Christmas magic. And guess what? We absolutely loved it. It might not be the classic version, but it's definitely a new favorite for us. Keep watching to see how the final cake turns out. Our cake is finally ready and it turned out amazing. I wish I could share a piece with all of you. It was so fun making it and the taste definitely worth the try. Here they are, our candles finally coming out of the mold. Honestly, we were a bit scared at first, wondering if they'd break, but thankfully they turned out perfect. If you're looking for a fun and budget friendly DIY, skip the store bought candles and give this a try. We got a candle making kit for around 18 or $20 and it made 10 beautiful candles. Definitely worth it. As the night falls, it's finally time to light up the candles. I am so excited to see everything come together in this cozy, warm glow. There's something magical about how the lights and candles set the perfect holiday vibe. I just love how everything looks in the dark, giving the space such a peaceful, festive atmosphere. It's everything I have been dreaming of. It's been a long day, but I absolutely loved every moment of it. Lighting the candles, pouring a drink, and just soaking in the Christmas spirit. This is how I'm getting ready for Christmas in November. My husband thinks it's a bit early, but honestly, I feel like I'm already a week or two behind. But hey, that's how it goes. Let me know what part of the video you loved the most and how you all are planning to celebrate this Christmas. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel as your Christmas gift to us. Bye! Love you all!